Guten Morgen. So, it's our day 4 here in Switzerland. So, etong day 4 is sa early morning, continuation nung kagabi, no? Sobrang kinulang na kami sa oras para bumili ng mga pasalubong, shopping for ourselves, ganyan. So, ngayon, continuation yon dahil 10 pa naman yung call time for the Lindt Museum, no? So, kain muna tayong breakfast and ayun, let's go shopping again. Then after nun, babalik tayo dito to pack our things kasi pa-checkout na tayo. Then, diretso na sa Lindt Museum. So, yun yung itinerary natin for today. So, let's go! Samahan niyo ako sa ating last day here in Switzerland.
Malamig, diba?
Yan. Good morning, guys!
Good morning!
Super lamig.
Last day.
Anong temperature today? Sobrang lamig.
11 degrees.
11 degrees. 8 a.m.
9 lang pala, guys. Yan lamig.
8 a.m.
Naka-cover na kami na ito,
8 a.m. na. Doon tayo dadaan. Sabi ko kay Neil sa bridge tayo magkita.
And so, tatawid kami ngayon.
Tatawid kami ngayon.
Papunta sa
Saan tayo punta?
shop.
Ayan, pupunta kami souvenir shop. Mili si Jean.
Of course, para sa mga dear clients ko.
Wow! Sana all! Ayan,
Love na love ko kayo, guys. Sana love niyo rin ako.
Ganda dun, oh.
Ang ganda, oh.
Ayan, okay, di tayo makapamili ka. Maganda dun, oh. Ganda dun, oh.
So, dito na kami sa street where you can buy your pasalubong here. So, isa sa sikat na shop dito ng Pasalubong Center here in Switzerland is yung tinatawag nilang Casa Grande. So, doon, papasok tayo sa loob.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so ito na nga guys. Ito na yung mga nabudol ng Swiss watch.
Malilate na tayo, pero nagsiswiss pa.
Malilate na, pero Swiss watch pa din.
Couple kayo.
Yeah, may Swiss watch na rin siya.
Couple kayo, couple sila. Couple.
Kasi may mga ganito na ako.
And we'll get this for free.
For free, yay! For free!
No comprendo.
Now that I know that you're from Philippines, you speak Tagalog, you will understand.
No comprendo.
No comprendo.
Ulo, may souvenir ako sa Switzerland. May watch ako. Hi!
Mga
Bumili kami ng
nabudol.
watch.
Salamat po sa sponsor.
Opo, thank you, Berna.
Sponsor.
This is my card.
She's gonna pay for
Yeah,
all of our
everything.
watches. Thank you, Verna.
Mga walang iya kayo.
Somebody film her today.
She's a good friend.
No, film her today that she's smiling. When the film comes,
One eternity later.
So, our last stop here in Switzerland, we're going to the Lindt Museum. So, ayan. Ano tayo? Sweet tooth. Galawang sweet tooth po tayo ngayon. Ayan, magbibili ng mga chocolates, papasalubong. And did you know that Lindt, yung Swiss brand ng chocolate. So, ayan. Ito yung mga pampasalubong area. Tara na, let's go inside. So, when you get here inside the Lindt Museum, may bibigay silang ganitong device para ito yung magiging tour guide nyo. Kasi iba-iba yung mga language nila. So, yan, English. Yung pinili natin. Pasok na tayo!
Tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis magpalabas ng chocolate kasi doon.
Palabasin na natin.
Hi, Berna.
Ay,
Uy, grabe.
Ang bilis ah.
Lumabas agad, di ba? Ay, masarap pala yung dark chocolate.
Masarap. Ikaw lang may ayaw
Ayoko
eh.
dati ng dark chocolate, pero ang sarap.
Okay.
Popular all around the world. So hi guys! So Zurich tour pa tayo. So tapos na tayo sa Lindt Museum. Now we're walking around the Zurich, city of Zurich. Ayan, ano tayo? City tour, walking tour.
Just a tiny little village, and we had like high ambitions that we wanted to be like Paris. So what did we do? Our city developers traveled to Paris, looked at the beautiful Paris streets, copy paste. Copy paste.
So it's okay if we don't go to Paris anymore.
You can just follow this road, take some pictures. So later on when you come back, see you have like a lot of details on the building and like nice places. So you can also go here to the right. It's all
Wow! Look like Paris, guys!
tayo nag-Paris.
when I showed you
Wow!
everything, it's really
Minus the pickpockets.
minus the pickpockets, no pickpockets. This building here, 1900 on the dot. And this is where we get married, where we get divorced, where we pay taxes.
Get married, get
Also when you
divorced.
die, this is where you're, like whoever remains after you pass away, this is where they have to go and bring you documentation.
Oh.
The town hall.
The town hall.
Next to the town hall, we have a church called Frau Münster. Frau in German means woman. So it's the former woman abbey. And as a matter of fact,
Abbey.
was Catholic
This is Abby.
until your abbey. And there's a lot of people right now because they have a wedding. All the time people are getting married.
Oh,
when you
ano?
do-
Ayun na, dito na lang.
This
Abbey.
is before church.
Can we attend the wedding?
You may put the legit.
This is the town hall. So when you get married,
Civil.
before the civil. Yes, exactly. So this is just signing paper. But Switzerland, do you know what this is? For the blind. So they actually made a mini model so that the blind can feel how the church feels. So it's not just a mini model, but actually a mini model for the blind to get an idea where they were killed. I mean, obviously, right? When you're killed, you want to decide where you're killed. So they picked up their heads, that's what the legend says, and they walked right up here and said, this is where we want to be buried. It was already a hill, so I guess they wanted to have the view. So they were buried in here, and for centuries before the Reformation, because with Reformation this was no longer a thing, but before the Reformation, pilgrims would come to pray to the leftover bones of Felix and Rembrandt. And so that's why this church has 2 towers. For our patron saints. They used to be the patron saints